Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make perfect poached eggs without using any vinegar. First, select a deep pot and fill it with at least 4 inches of water. This depth is crucial for the egg to form properly. Next, bring the water to a gentle simmer, aiming for a temperature between 180 and 190 degrees Fahrenheit. Avoid a vigorous boil, as this can break the delicate egg whites. A gentle simmer ensures a tender result. Now let's prepare our eggs. Crack each egg individually into a small bowl or ramekin. This step is vital because it allows you to gently slide the egg into the water, preventing it from breaking apart. Make sure the yolk remains perfectly intact and the whites are firm. Using very fresh eggs is key here, as older eggs tend to have thinner whites that spread out more in the water, making a less compact poached egg. With your water simmering gently, it's time to poach. Carefully slide each egg from its bowl into the water. The gentle entry helps maintain its shape. Cook the eggs for approximately 3 to 4 minutes for a beautifully runny yolk, or a little longer if you prefer a firmer one. Remember not to overcrowd the pot. Poach 1 or 2 eggs at a time to maintain the water temperature and ensure even cooking. This method yields a perfectly formed egg. Once your eggs are perfectly poached, it's time to remove them. Use a slotted spoon to carefully lift each egg from the water, allowing any excess water to drain. Gently place them on a paper towel-lined plate for a few seconds to absorb any remaining moisture. Finally, season your beautiful poached eggs with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper. Serve them immediately on toast, avocado, or your favorite dish for a delightful meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.